Strength by folding paper, making hollow pillars, or rolling paper into struts. There are many different ways to strengthen materials to build strong structures. There are a lot of situations where structures need to withstand pulling forces and pushing forces. To strengthen materials, their shape can be changed. For example, the shape of pillars can be changed, which will make them stronger. When using tubing to make struts or frames for supporting weight, the tube can be shaped to form a square, a triangle, or a circle, though a circle will be the strongest. It is important to make these struts from a strong material. Another way to strengthen materials such as metal or tin is by corrugating it. This means that instead of a flat sheet of metal or paper, we use one with grooves.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.